water where the river curves. The estuary whispers where the estuary swerves. In the estuary where currents twirl, murky waters a turbid swirl. Sediments dance a hidden show, where clarity's lost in depths below. Gone are my shoes, swallowed by deep. In the estuaries, clasp a memory to keep.
Beneath the water's surface, a poetic ballet unfolds, capturing moments of life underneath wild desert trees. Light, temperature, salinity join the ensemble, tracking the river's heartbeat in every beam of light.
In the shallow waters, Zostra is bound. A nursery ground where juveniles abound. Ravos deployed and deep waters explored. From those locations, juveniles were in motion. Through IMOB's observation was in action. With two oceans by us, identification was a satisfaction.
Though we thought we would see plenty of fish, mullet, blacktail, shrimp, and silvertail that would be ugly, we saw things through dark eyes. We waited, we watched, and sighed. Our tired eyes squint and blur, telling no lies. In this world, diversity and abundance thrive. Nothing was seen, it was deprived.
My name's Renee.
Yeah.
In the Kawi.
Yeah.
We went to play.
Yeah.
The data showed.
Yeah.
That those fish.
Yeah.
Are more active.
Yeah.
In the day.
Yeah! Shabuya, shabuya, roll.